Now that we have our pocket pinned in place, it's time to sew on the button. Sewing on the button should be done before you sew the pocket on. And to mark the button placement, just kind of open up your buttonhole and just make a mark on the back side of the fabric so that we know where we're supposed to be putting the button when we sew it on. You're going to take a piece of thread about 24 inches or so long, and using a hand needle, you're going to tie the edges or the ends of these threads together. In kind of a balloon knot. I like the knot to be more towards the end than towards the middle. That way I can use as much of this thread as I need to, and I'm not trying to scrimp and save on it. So we've done this before with our samples. I'm just going to pin this back so that it's not in my way anymore. All right, and then where I have my marking for the button, that's where I'm going to come up and down through my fabric in. So I'm going to pull my thread through until that knot catches. Thread it on my buttonhole or my button. You can go parallel lines or you can do an X, but when you're going back through, you're going back into the same spot that you came up with before. Always be checking that your thread has completely pulled itself through, both sides, both the top and the bottom. And again, we're going to go up and down through those same parts. So you're going to go through each set of holes 3 times, 3 or 4 times. Always making sure that when your needle goes in, it's pretty close to where it was when it came out. All right, you guys know how to sew on a button. We'll come back when this is all finished.